Well, magandang umaga mga kababayan namin dyan sa San Del Monte, Bulacan. Papunta na po kami ng Bagak, Bataan. Ang pangalan namin ay Ikot-Ikot Lang by Sarah G.
Not Bagak.
Papunta nga tayo ng Bagak, di ba? Ano ba? Saan tayo pupunta?
Hindi ba tayo sa sa Nagsasa?
Ay, Diyos ko, ano pa? Pa tayo ng ano? Ang pangalan namin Ikot-Ikot Lang, babalik-balik sa isang lugar. Alam mo naman namin na walang signal mga minamalayan mga kababayan. Yoyo. Talaga ba?
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not.
Awkward ako eh. So, pupunta po ulit po kami sa isang isla na kung saan aking tagpuan ang nagpatibok sa aking bihikang puso. Ngayong araw po na ito, aming po rin pupuntahan sa isang isla na mahiwaga. Kaya lang mo mamaya kung bakit mahiwaga. Sa mga balik na. Ilang po. Ayan, so nakikita niyo po malapit na po kami sa aming pupuntahan. Ang mga baklang pagod, walang kapaguran. March! Dala ko ng magic sarap. Ang sarap na sa akin walang matitikman. Relax na relax.
Gusto mo ang experiences sa Suka Island? Anong gagawin natin dito? Susuka na lang?
We na lang.